Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start the lecture for class 8 mathematics. Book on page number 90, exercise 1.3. Question number 1. Question number 1. If A and B matrix are order of 2 by 3, means let A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 2 rows, 3 columns. B is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5. Like this. And C and D are square matrices. C and D square matrix means C is 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 rows, 2 columns. D is 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2 rows, 2 columns. Part number 1. A plus B is possible or not. A plus B. In case of addition or in case of subtraction. If their order is same, then it's possible. Order means how many rows? 2 rows, 3 columns. In B, 2 rows, 3 columns. Possible. Possible. Means in case of addition or subtraction, order of both matrices are same. In case of addition or multiplication, addition, subtraction or addition, order of both matrices are same, then they are possible. Then they are possible. Which means A plus B is possible. If you add both of matrices, we get an order of A plus B, same, 2 by 3. Now, part B, B plus D. The order of B is 2 rows, 3 columns. The order of D is 2 rows, 2 columns. B is 2 by 3 and D is 2 by 2. Order not same. Not possible. Now, part number 3. 3A minus C. 3A minus 2C. The order of A is 2 by 3 and the order of C is 2 by 2. Order not same? Not possible. Now, part number 4. Part number 4. Part number 4 is 7C plus 2D. 2D. C is 2 by 2. D is 2 by 2. Order same. Therefore, possible. Therefore, possible. Order will be 2 by 2. Now, question number 2. Part number 1. A is equal to 1, 2 and 3 by 2. This means 2 multiplied by A on the left hand side, 2 also multiplied on the right hand side. You get 2A, 2, 4 and 6. Now we move forward. Now question number 3. We will do start question number 3 and inshallah we will do question number 4 in this lecture. Now question number 3. We find the value of x. Given 4x is equal to 1, 2, 1, 4, 2 and 3 minus 1, 9 and 7. We find the value of x. Here is 4 multiplying. Divide 4. Both sides. 4x. 4. 1, 2, 1. 4, 2, 3. Minus 1, 9 and 7. Divided by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. We get x equal to 1 by 4. 1, 2, 1. 4, 2, 3. Minus 1, 9 and 7. Now 1 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4. 1 into 1 by 4, 4 into 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4, 3 into 1 by 4, minus 1 into 1 by 4, 9 into 1 by 4, 7 into 1 by 4. We get 1 by 4, 2 cancel, we get 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 4 and 4 cancel, 1 cancel, 3 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 9 by 4, 7 by 4. So answer. Now question number 4. Now we do the question number 4. Question number 4 is 3a minus b. So 3. The value of a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 minus the value of b is minus 3 minus 2. 1 minus 5, 4 and 3. First of all, we multiply this with the first matrices. We get 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 5, 4 and 3. We'll get 3 minus 3. First with the first, second with the second, third with the third, fourth with the fourth, fifth with the fifth and sixth with the sixth. We get 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 12 plus 5, 11, 15. We will get 6, 8, 17, 11 and 15. 11 and 15 is your question number 4. Now we'll do the question number 5. Question number 5. Question 5 is a plus 2b equal to c. Equal sign is there. Therefore, we will take left hand side as well as right hand side. Left hand side. A plus 2b. A. The matrix of A is 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 0 and 2, 1 minus 1 and 1, plus 2, B is 3, minus 1, 2, 4, 5. Now, first one, 2 multiplied with second bracket, means second matrix, 2 multiplied with second matrices. When we got 1, 2 and minus 3. 6 minus 2, 4, 8, 4, 10, 4, 6 and 0. Now add these two matrices, you will get the value of C. Now we do the question number 6 as well. Do it by yourself. Now I am giving the homework now. Homework. Question number 1. Question number 2, sorry. Part number 2. Question number 3 we have done. Question number 4. Question number 5. Question number 5. And question number 6. This is your homework. Do it by yourself. Any problem, then call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.